Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your investors group account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in investors group login. Once you press enter, you'll see this kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you have to provide your login credentials. And if you are new to this page and you don't have an online access, you can click on this link to register for a new account. Once you have created your account, go ahead and enter your username. And to save your username for next time when you log in, you can click on this check mark. But this is not recommended to click if you're using a public or shared device. After that, enter your password. And if you want to recheck your password, you can click on this icon and it will reveal your password. And in case if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you have entered your correct credentials, you can click on the sign in button. And once you click on it, you'll be signed into your account. It's that easy. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you in the next one.